Alright, hello there and welcome to the 50th episode of the Daily Shed. Today will be a pretty simple lesson, pretty quick one, just finding all the A's on your guitar. And as I've said before, knowing all the notes on your guitar is absolutely essential. Even if you don't know it yet, it's a really good goal to have. It's the key to so many things, I believe. So alright, the A. Again, if you don't know this. Alright, so on the low E string, A is at the 5th fret, and slide it down an octave, all the way to the 17th fret. Here's your A, here's your A. The A string, of course, you've got the open A string, and also at the 12th fret. Those are all the A's on the string. Again, this is every A possible on every string. On the D string, the 7th fret is the A, and then if you can do it, all the way up to the 19th fret. On mine, I don't have quite a complete fret there, so I can't totally do it, but if you just go up to the 19th fret, that's your other A. So there, and going up an octave. On the G string, on the 2nd fret, it's an A, and then on the 14th fret. Okay? On the B string, the 10th fret is the only one. The high E string, same as the low E string. 5th fret and 17th fret. Okay, so once again, low E string, 5th fret, 17th fret. On the A string, of course, the open A string and the 12th fret. The D string, 7th fret, if you can get to it, 19th fret. The G string, the 2nd fret and 14th fret. On the B string, the 10th fret. On the high E string, same as the low E string, 5th fret and then 17th fret. Okay, and that is every A on the guitar. That is every single one. There is no other A but the ones I've just showed you. So get to know those. Gradually you'll get to know all the other notes as well, and it will unlock so many things for you. It'll really help you to master the guitar. So hope this is useful to you. Let me know any comments or questions below, and as always, thank you for watching.